Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to make badges in Roblox Studio. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Now first we want to open up the Roblox website. Click on Create here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go into Creations and find the game for which we want to make a badge. So just click on it. Scroll down here until we find Badges. And just click on Badges. And we're going to create a badge here. Here you can do the name. So I'm going to do welcome that I'm going to create a welcome badge, and I'll upload the image. I'm just going to do a sample image here. No description is needed, and make sure badges enabled is checked. Click on create badge, and this is going to create the specific badge. Now, while we wait for this to confirm, we're going to go into store here and just give it some time for the store to load up. After we have clicked on store, we're going to be on models, and we want to search for welcome badge like this. And you will get the script. So just click on it. Once it is loaded, then click on Get Model. So from this right, this item was added to your inventory. What we want to do is we're going to open up Roblox Studio. And here we want to find our inventory. So this is going to be your inventory under the toolbox. Just click on it, and you will see this welcome script. So what we want to do is we can double click on it. And we're going to click on OK. And it's going to add it here to the side. So we'll come back. Now what we want to do is right-click or double-click on the welcome badge itself. And here it's going to say badge ID. Now go back to Roblox. So I'm going to go back to Roblox here. And I'm just going to go back. And here I'm going to go back into Creations, find my game. Go back to Badges. And here I'm going to click on the three dots and copy asset ID. Now, go back into Roblox Studio, and we want to paste the asset ID like so. And this is going to create the welcome badge, and it's going to award them. So that's basically how you can make badges in Roblox Studio. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.